With the Tamron Lens Utility and the newest lens models, you can easily activate a very useful function. It is called the manual focus method, and it's very useful in a variety of situations, not only for stills, but also when video shooting. This is a function that changes the focus movement during manual focus. You can choose from non-linear, where the degree of focal point movement will change with the focus ring rotational speed, and linear, where the focal point moves a certain amount with the rotational angle. Some of the lenses to be released will allow you to adjust this rotation, thereby helping the photographer to shoot scenes as intended. I'm going to explain how to set the manual focus method and its actual use in the field. After launching Tamron Lens Utility, click the Start menu. Follow the instructions on the Start screen to connect the lens to a computer. In the focus ring setting dialog, click Select. In the Manual Focus Method section, click Select and choose Linear or Non-Linear. The default setting is Non-Linear. When selecting Linear, you can adjust the rotational angle. The default setting is 180 degrees. Choose the desired degree and click Save. Please note that some lenses are not available to change the rotation angle during linear focus mode. Check the list of lenses compatible with the Tamron Lens Utility to learn about the lenses for which this function is not displayed. When shifting the focus point from A to B by rotating the focus ring, the focus shifts a certain distance depending on how much you rotate the ring, not how fast you rotate the ring. The faster you rotate the ring, the narrower the rotation angle will be. The slower you rotate the ring, the wider the rotation angle will be. So the default setting is non-linear. So when you select linear, you can change the rotation angle. Choose the desired degree and click Save. The rotation angle starts at the minimum object distance and reaches to the infinity setting. Choose 90 if you want to shift the focus point quickly. Choose 360 if you want to adjust the focus point precisely. So here, I'm showing the difference of the focus shift distance depending on the rotation angle used. So now, click Remove at the right corner above before removing the lens. A dialog pops up and click OK. Now we're ready to shoot. So I hope I was able to give you a really good insight into how the Tamron Lens Utility works and what possibilities it opens up for every photographer.